Good morning, class 9. Today we are starting with the chapter Motion in Physics. Motion. Do you understand the meaning of the term motion? Motion means motion. If we see this tree and two boys, A and B, they are on the skateboards. Both are moving, but they are talking to each other. So the relative motion between them is zero. Why? Because there is no change in the position. With reference to the tree, they are moving, but with reference to each other, they are not moving, they are talking to each other. So motion means when a body is changing its position with a reference point. This is a reference point. It is a still point. With reference to the tree, boy A and boy B both are changing the position because they are moving on a skateboard. But they are talking to each other. When they are talking to each other, they are not moving, they are still or stationary with respect to each other. The next terms are distance and displacement. Here, this is a clock tower. When I go straight and I turn towards the right hand side, I reach Esley Hall School. This is 40 meter and here it is 30 meter. So what is the distance I have travelled? I have travelled 40 from clock tower to point A, and from point A to Esley Hall School 30 meters. The distance travelled is 70 meters. But displacement is a straight line. Displacement is a straight line from clock tower to Esley Hall. If you can measure this green color straight line from clock tower to Esley Hall, it will be not 70 meters. That is displacement. Now what is the distance? Distance is the total length. That is the total length covered by a body. It is always taken in meters, that is, meter is its unit. And we don't require any direction for this, that is why it is called scalar quantity. Whereas displacement, it is the length covered by a body in a particular direction. Particular direction means the direction should be straight path. When the length covered by a body in a straight path, that is called displacement. So displacement, here we can see three displacement. One, clock tower to Esley Hall School, that is green color. And another one is clock tower to that point A, from point A to Esley Hall School, which are red in color. They are two different another displacements. This is displacement of 40 meters, this is displacement of 30 meters. But if you use Pythagoras theorem, तो 40 का square plus 30 का square will be clock tower to एस्ले हॉल का स्क्वायर, which is 1600 plus 900, 2500, 50 का स्क्वायर is the displacement का स्क्वायर. The displacement is 50 meters. This green color line is of 50 meters. Unit of distance is meter, displacement is also meter. But it is a scalar quantity, this is a vector quantity. Vector quantity means it requires direction. It requires direction. So distance is a scalar quantity, displacement is a vector quantity. Distance is the total length, displacement is the length covered in a particular direction or in a straight path.